Catfish people, what's up? Hey, Mike here, Mike Stokes Fishing. Give y'all an update on this bank cart that I've been making. Some of you don't know, I went down to the dumpster. I found me a couple of milk crates and it was an old set of crutches there. I said, you know what? That right there might make me a good bank cart. So I've been working on it. Then I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found me a little old kid's bike at about $10 or so. Had needed some rims. Oh, let's show you what they look like. So I got me a set of rims with some good tires on it, good tread. I built me a axle bar for it. Tearing it apart before you can get it together. Then I had some old PVC pipe stuff laying around left over. Got me a camera bar here. I can screw it in. I can dismount it, take it apart. But hey, let's show y'all what I've got going on so far. Set that up right there. This here flipped around. There we go. Now, let's remove this. Back wheels will be mounted on there like so. Let me see if I can't back this up some. Oh, it's too close. Alright, anyway. Back wheels will be mounted on there. This will have a bar that will extend and hold it up like so. Inside, I had some old flooring. I glued it in the inside to keep it somewhat weatherproof. I've mounted some boxes here that are waterproof boxes. Get these undone. Oh, had to put strings on them. Waterproof boxes there. I had screwed some strings in there so I can get them undone. Let's go around here to the front. I've got be a light bar mount just like this one here, which unscrews right here so that I can take it off for transporting, mount it to the side. But it's got that there which sticks to my phone. Let me see if I can get, there we go, which sticks to my phone, as y'all can see. Let's screw that back in. My camera's off a little bit here, y'all. I'll put me some rod holders. I'll mount me some rod holders here on the side, and this bar here I will mount on the front because it adjusts. It clicks up and down. It come off the crutches. That way I can adjust the height of the front of my cart as I need to. I had this left over from a previous cart that I made when I had my kayak. So that'll be mounted on the top. I'll hinge it on the back and put a lasp here on it so that we can keep our stuff safe and secure in there. I got a few eye bolts like so that I'll put on it so that when I extend that bar down, I can drive a stake through it and will secure if I'm rolling around or being pulled off if I want to fish from it. Flip it around. In case I want to fit, if I want to fish from the cart itself, if I want to use the rod holders on it, as if I can't get any in the ground. It's set up pretty good so far. I still got to put my handle on the front. I'll do a swivel on it. I still got to mount my rod holders. Got my U-bolts to mount my back tires on here. Well, mount my tire on here with. Now I got a few other odds and end pieces that I need to purchase, but like I said, my light bar. And those rechargeable those boxes I got on there are so I can put my rechargeable batteries in, my LED battery packs, because I use these kind of lights, which are magnetic, rechargeable, and they are super bright. They got different settings on them. I use two of those. Two of these lights right here will get me through 8 hours of fishing. Bottom line, both of these together is 8 hours of fishing. And if I've got charger boxes, it's unlimited how much I can get out of them. I got me one of those little sports cameras that I'll mount here on the top of this. And everything will be unscrewable so that it can be taken apart and tucked away, stowed away, so it's easy for transportation. I also have it where you can disassemble it right directly in the middle, and you can take that front box off and just use the back box if you needed to. But we'll make a video step by step, because this thing here is coming together like a puzzle. I'm just putting it together as I go. When things come to my mind, what I need, that way I don't have to redo it later on down the line. But I just want to give y'all a quick update on what's going on. And also we have this. Hey, let's try the camera bar out here, see how that works. Oh Lord, it's crooked. All right, made us some bank rod holders too, y'all. I watched a couple of YouTube videos on guys that had made some. The only thing I didn't like was how long and bulky they were. So I came up with an idea to just run wing nuts through, so that I can take this off, flip it around, and now my rod holder is only that size. So I can tuck it away in a box, or in my box here, or my cart, or I can put it in a backpack or whatever not. When I'm ready to fish, I just flip it back around, put these wing nuts back on. Well, actually, get a little ahead of myself here. One other thing I done was, before you get too far along with putting it on, putting it together, you pull one of those out. Difficulty, y'all. Take this one back off. You can just pull one of these out, leave the other one in, and it leaves it where you can drive it. Hammer that down, get it down where you want it, then flip it, slide your other pin in, and screw it together. And you've got you an awesome, very sturdy bank rod holder for those big long rods. I use surf rods. I use 10-foot up to 12-foot surf rods, so this right here will really come in handy. I put reflectable tape around the end, and I painted it up so it would kind of be able to see it at nighttime pretty good. And this is just a piece of angle galvanized metal. It's not very heavy. It's actually lighter than these all metal curl ones I got right here. This is actually a whole lot lighter, and it holds all of the rod, you know, which most of your rods are 14 inches long, so this will come, your rod will be down in there to this far. But hey, till the next one, y'all, stay tuned. Oh, to the next one, y'all, let me get out here in the light. Y'all can see me. Hey, it's getting dark on me. Hey, to the next one, y'all, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll bring you some more. We're gonna start bringing you some videos of catching some fish. Hey, till then, God bless.